Visual Studio Code just got a free upgrade. Copilot now supports something called Agent Mode inside VS Code. That means you can now ask the AI to code with natural language. You can also let it read and write files in your project. Even let it run terminal commands right inside the chats. It's like having an AI developer inside your VS Code ready to help you on complex tasks, just like Cursor. But this is free. Let me show you how it works and why you need to try it right now. If you haven't already, head over to code.visualstudiocode.com. Download and install the latest version of VS Code. Once the installation is complete, open VS Code and click on the Copilot icon on the top right. In the sidebar, click on the drop down menu and you will see agent option. And if you don't see the agent option, go to settings and search for agent mode and check the box. And if you are still not seeing it, I suggest you update your VS Code to the latest version. Alright, let's test it out. I've set up a basic Next.js project and I'm going to ask Copilot to install ShatCNUI. It was able to identify and install it. One of my favorite features is before making any changes, it will ask for your approval. You can review and undo them easily. No more mystery edit. If you want me to build a complete project with Copilot, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and follow for more videos like this.